Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to redirect a Squarespace domain to another website. So as you can see right here, this is my account, right? And if you have already effective website, just go ahead and open up the website that you created, right? And then in the website that you created, you're gonna be able to see the overview, and then you're gonna be able to see a website. Just go ahead and click on the website. In the website, what you're going to be able to notice, you're going to be able to notice domain forwarding rules, right? You won't be able to see it right here because I'm merely just demonstrating right here because my website has expired. And then basically by going to click the website, and then you're going to be able to see the domain forwarding rules, you're going to be able to click add a rule, and then add the website that you want from your website or from the official website right here into another website, right? And then basically let's have example, a YouTube channel, whatever it might be. And then basically if you want to use that YouTube website, maybe a YouTube channel as a temporary redirect, you're gonna be able to choose it, or permanent redirect from that website to another. And then basically you're gonna be able to save it, and then you're gonna wait for 24 to 48 hours until they change or they update until they update your website. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.